Hello everyone, myself Madhav Sharma. Today we will discuss MS Excel. The content of MS Excel is today an Excel worksheet contain monthly sale detail of 5 companies. So we will discuss the steps or we can say that the procedure for that. Step number 1. First of all, open the Microsoft Excel. Create a new worksheet or open any existing one that contain the monthly sale detail of the 5 companies. First of all, we will create an Excel sheet or open an Excel sheet that contain the data. Basically, first of all, the information is gathering data or entering the data in an Excel worksheet related to the 5 companies and the monthly information. Step number 2, organize data structure. Labels the column with appropriate headers such as the company name, month, sale amount, etc. We edit the informations or organize our data structure in the form of the name, month and the sale amount. Enter the sale data for the each company and month in the corresponding cell. So this is the by default basic procedure for that. Step number 3, use formula for calculation. Now this is an optional part. If we needed using the Excel formula to perform the calculations like the total sales, average sale, etc. So we can create this. For example, to calculate the total sale for a specific company, use the sum function. Here we already discussed these functions in the previous videos. So using the sum functions, we will calculate the total sale of the specific company. Step number 4, that is the formatting our data. Apply formatting to make data visually and easier to read. Use the different type of fonts, colors, headers, any number of formatting, sales amounts, etc. Step number 5, we have to create a table. That is also this is an optional. Convert the data range into the table for easy the data management and the dynamic referencing. So tables is a very important role in the Excel. Select any cell where the data range are, go to the insert tab and click on the table. So this is an option to create a table. Here are the options to insert in the insert tab. Here options is that is the table, and we can click on the table and the option is available. Step number 6, sort and filter data. This is also an optional data to sorting and filtering data. Using the sorting and filtering options, arrange the data based on the specific criteria. For example, you can sort the data based on the sale amount to identify the highest or the lowest sale. Step number 7, insert chart. When data is inserted, data is sorted, we have to filter our data, and then after these options we can insert the chart according to the visualization or of our data. So create chart according to the visually represented of the sale data. Select the data range for the creating a chart. Go to the insert and choose the appropriate chart option or chart style according to the column chart, line chart, bar chart, pie chart, etc. Step number 8, after creating a chart, save the worksheet. That is we can use the shortcut key of Control S. Step number 9, update data monthly or as needed. After the save the worksheet, we can update our data as that is according to the company requirement. That is the update the sales data as a new information to become available. Modify the formulas and the chart to include new data. Step number 10, share or present the worksheet. After completing or updating our data, we can share our worksheet or represent our worksheet. This is then basic some example of this. The first picture show the sales of the January according to the monthly we have taken. Here are some worksheets like the January, February, March and monthly worksheets are there. Here are some informations in the January worksheets like serial number, product, unit price, quantity and the total in dollar. Step number in the column number 1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1. Here some information like header is written the sales of the January in the month of the January. Like product is air condition, television, mini cooler, refrigeration, microwave, washing machines. So it is written in the form of the rows and all data are available. This picture is shown for the month of February, and this is for the month of the March. So we took a new worksheet to calculate the monthly sale report for each item. We have taken the new worksheet for the monthly wise report. Here all the informations are written in the January month, February month, and the March of the month, and the product are the same product that are in the previously slides, like air condition, television, mini cooler. Here the unit price, quantity, and tool in the column number D, E, and F. And when we talk about in the new worksheet, that is the month wise report in the form of the January month, February month, and the March month. So we took a new worksheet to calculate the monthly sale report. Step number 1, define the range of the each month. We have to define for an example, for the month of the January, first you have to define the range of each sheet, so that we can write the formula in the final sale report for the sheet easily. Select the cell C4 to F10, that is the C, that is the column, and the row, that is the fourth, and when we talk about the F, that is the F column, and the range is the 10, that is the for C4 to F10, and the information is shown in the form of the red border. Same for February month and same for the March month. Now to check the edit the selected range, you can travel the formulas option and click on the name manager. Here the some options in the formula, like name manager. A new window will appear for the name manager, and you can edit the range or edit name from in this new window. Here 3 worksheets are selected for the January month, February month, and the March month. Step number 2, apply formula to make monthly sale. When we want to apply for the formulas, as our data, select the cell to apply the formulas. Here I have selected the cell D5. Put the formula down into the selected cell. This is the formula for selecting the monthly sale report. That is the VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function is the pre-made functions that look for information in a data range or a string. If functions return the one value, here in the previous slides we will discuss the if functions. It will return the one value if it is true, and another value if false, with the given conditions. In the table array, it is true, it will collect the data from the sale of the January. It false, it will go to the February or March. As column index number is 4, it is the column from which we have to get the total sale of each item. So this is the formula that we have applied, and the formula for the month of the January, and we will drag this formula in for all the product. Press enter to get the output. After this formula, from the screenshot, we will below see that we have got the price of air condition in the month of the January month. Drag down the fill handle down, see the result of the item in each column. We will drag this option, and we have shown that all the informations according to the month of the January we have to shown. We will successfully made our monthly sale report in Excel by just using this simple formula. All the informations are filled in the month of the January, February, and the March. Thank you. Sumit, okay.